stop and check the permission screen before you click Allow. If an app, agent, support message, or AI tool asks for broad access to your email, cloud files, repositories, or social account, pause, use a separate trusted login, and revoke anything you do not recognize. Today's defensive warning is about a pattern showing up across current security reporting. Scams and intrusions are moving from simple password theft to token theft, OAuth consent abuse, and AI-connected workflows. The important lesson is not that artificial intelligence is magic. The lesson is that accounts, API tokens, browser sessions, and support systems now connect to more of our lives than ever before. First, what victims may see. A developer may receive an alert from an AI platform telling them to rotate access tokens. A worker may see a convincing fake update, a productivity tool, or a document that claims it needs access before it can open. A creator may get a support message about account recovery. A business user may be asked to approve a cloud application through a normal-looking OAuth screen. In every case, the visible request may look routine. The risk is hidden in the permission being granted or the token being copied. One current example is the hugging face warning reported by Bleeping Computer. The report says the company warned that an autonomous AI agent compromised its network, with internal datasets and credentials affected, and advised users to rotate tokens and review activity. Whether you are an individual maker or a company using model hubs, the defensive takeaway is simple: treat AI platform tokens like production passwords. Rotate them after incidents, remove old tokens, limit scopes, and watch for unexpected downloads, model changes, repository access, or new integrations. A second example comes from Microsoft's reporting on ACR Stealer. Microsoft described increased activity and observed intrusion chains involving credential theft. For ordinary users, the practical warning sign is a download or installer that does not match the official source. For organizations, the warning sign may be a new sign-in from an unusual device, an unexpected browser credential dump alert, or a sudden session token reuse. The protection is boring but powerful. Install from official stores or vendor domains, keep endpoint protection on, use phishing-resistant multi-factor authentication where possible, and reset active sessions after suspicious activity. A third pattern is OAuth abuse. Microsoft's guidance on Shiny Hunters-related SaaS defense highlights the problem. An attacker may not need your password if they can persuade you to authorize a malicious or overpermissioned app. A consent screen that says an app can read mail, manage files, access contacts, or stay signed in should be treated like a security decision, not a formality. If you are a Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, or SaaS administrator, review third-party app consent regularly, require admin approval for high-risk permissions, and alert on new grants from unusual locations. Now add AI agents. Microsoft's least privilege guidance for AI agents focuses on identity, access, and tool binding. That sounds technical, but the household version is clear: do not give an assistant more access than the task requires. If an agent can read every file, send messages, change billing, and connect to code repositories, a single mistake or compromised account has a much larger blast radius. Use separate accounts, limited scopes, short-lived tokens, approval steps for sensitive actions, and logs that show exactly what the agent did. There is also a consumer angle. Krebs on Security reported on criminals abusing an AI support bot process to seize Instagram accounts. The defensive lesson is that support messages are not automatically trustworthy because they mention a real product or use official-sounding language. Do not move account recovery into private chats. Do not share one-time codes. Confirm support requests from inside the app or on the official website, and secure the email and phone number used for recovery. Why does this work on victims? It exploits normal habits. People click Allow to remove friction. Developers store tokens to speed up builds. Employees trust single sign-on screens. Creators panic when they think an account is locked. Attackers benefit from urgency, brand familiarity, and permission fatigue. Here are the warning signs to remember. 1. A tool asks for access that is broader than the task. 2. You are pushed to install an update, extension, or helper outside the official source. 3. A support or recovery message moves you away from the platform's normal process. 4. A token or API key has not been rotated in months or is shared across projects. 5. A new authorized app appears that nobody can explain. Here is how to verify safely. Open a fresh browser tab and type the official address yourself. Check the exact domain before logging in. Review the permissions line by line. Ask whether the app needs read-only access or full control. For work accounts, contact your IT or security team through a known channel. For developer platforms, rotate tokens from the official settings page and store replacements in a secret manager, not in chats, notes, or code. If you think you clicked already, act quickly but calmly. Disconnect the suspicious app. Change the password from a trusted device. Revoke active sessions. Rotate API keys and tokens. Check forwarding rules, recovery email, connected apps, repository deploy keys, and billing changes. Preserve suspicious messages for reporting. In the United States, report scams to the FTC at reportfraud.ftc.gov and cybercrime to the FBI IC3 at ic3.gov. Outside the US, use your national cybercrime or consumer protection reporting portal. The bottom line, the new scam surface is not only the password box. It is the allow button, the token, the support workflow, and the AI agent permission list. Before you grant access, ask one question: if this app were hostile, what could it do? If the answer is too much, deny it, verify independently, and choose the smallest permission possible.